Another way to help teach and guide your baby to roll over from stomach to back is through an independent rolling motion. First, lay your baby on their stomach in elbow time. Place your right hand beneath your baby's right hand and hold on to your baby's left shoulder. With your left hand, hold your baby's opposite shin and slowly and gently drag the opposite elbow and knee to bring them close together in the center of your baby's body. Make sure that the drag occurs on the floor surface and not in the air. Wait for your baby to rest their head on the floor, and only then continue to roll them onto their back. Slowly roll them back to their stomach and into elbow time, and repeat the process several times on each side. This exercise teaches and guides your baby where to place their arms in order to lean on them and roll over on their own. As with every exercise, maintain symmetry and do this exercise on both sides. This time, place your left arm underneath your baby's left arm and hold on to their right shoulder with your left hand. With your right hand, hold on to your baby's opposite knee and slowly and gently drag their elbow towards their knee. Throughout this movement, notice how your baby's side bends. Here too, wait patiently for your baby to rest their foot on the floor and allow them to roll over onto their back on their own.
How to get baby to roll over, part of Babypillars online home course.
Rolling over is a stage of development likely to occur when your baby is 3 to 7 months old. Rolling over from the stomach to the back or from back to stomach is dependent upon a few different skills your baby needs to acquire before being able to successfully roll over. Some babies have more rigid shoulder blades or overarched backs. These babies struggle with rolling from their stomachs to their backs because their arms tend to fall to the side rather than remaining in elbow time. Elbow time is a position where your baby is lying tummy down while leaning on their elbows.